This what's wrong with me.
And back is your boy DJ Academics, and disturbing news coming out of Chicago right now. We got a rapper, actor slash baller, according to his Instagram page, at YoungQC, has been arrested and charged for orchestrating the murder of his own mother for insurance money. So it's been reported that this young little fly nigga who's all about flexing on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, he was flexing on the whole nine, that he wasn't turned up enough because he didn't have all the cash to turn up. So I guess he realized his mother, who was a successful business owner in Chicago, she owned a hair salon called Nappy Heads Salon. Yes, Nappy Heads was going good. She was doing good. But of course, young QC was trying to turn up so much on Instagram, he came up with an idiotic plan of killing his own mom to get the money in her bank account and to cash out on the 2 life insurance settlements she had. So he hired 2 people to stage a break-in. They broke in, stabbed, and shot his mom in the head. She died, and about a year later, or a year and some change, about 15 months later, he's caught by the police, and he's now in jail. If you guys check out his Twitter page, this guy is the dumbest criminal that might be of 2013. 2 Chainz had that one song saying, "I'm gonna be fresh as hell if the feds watching." And you could tell that this idiot QC was all about being fresh as hell while the feds, the cops, the police, his fans, the hoes, friends, everybody was watching him on Instagram flex. He was doing all types of coon shit. He was throwing away money. He was burning money. He was ripping money. He was talking about how rich he was and how broke other niggas are while he was doing that at the expense of his mom's life. This nigga was flossing harder than Rico and paid in full, fully turned up. He had Lamborghini doors on a Mustang. He had it on all types of other cars. He was balling, posting statuses up all the time. He was having YouTube videos of him allegedly taking out 20,000, throwing it up for the fans, talking about he's giving back. This nigga was a classic coon. But what I don't get is that, why would you kill your own mother just for a come up? This nigga also had his mom tattooed on his neck, which seems there's something psychologically wrong with this kid. So if you can have your mom tattooed on your neck and you can still kill her, then you're going to post up on Facebook after her death, "Why do people only live once?" What do you think this was? You think you were going to kill her, get the cash out from all her life insurance settlements, take her money, and then she's going to come back for her second life? I've always said you can't trust any nigga that's posting up guns or cash on Instagram or any social media because they're obviously a hype beast for ignorance. These are the type of niggas that will do anything to maintain the amount of likes they're getting or try to get more likes. So these niggas don't care if they'll kill their friend, brother, sister, mother. These niggas don't give a shit. This once again paints a very nasty picture of the whole Chicago landscape. I gotta imagine that there's some good people in Chicago. So all these stories definitely just make Chicago look like the worst place in the world. However, this is obviously a case of somebody who's mentally disturbed, and he's going to the perfect place for him where he could be anally penetrated and he could soothe his mind and his anus. So once again, follow me on Twitter at imacademics. Hit me on Facebook. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram. Just search DJ Academics. And man, watch your neck. Protect your neck. 2013 is about to be over. 2014 is coming in. You can't trust these niggas.
Out here in the birds on my low-key crib. Had to take a break from Chicago for a minute. Quiet as a mouse out here. Lambo doors on the web. Oh, killer. Big ass backyard.